That emptied a building we've ever experienced.
You couldn't carry 3 drinks?
So it would have been so much cooler had it happened during Firehouse. It's all about timing. But, and here's even the worst part, you know. You see how I'm dressed? So they push me out the back door. They're like, just go, go. But I'm not dumb. I grabbed this guitar and my jacket. It's an $8,000 costume. That and the guitar went with me. So this clown comes outside and he's like, can I take your picture? The building could have been ablaze and this clown wants a photo that he's never ever even gonna look at again. Isn't that something? It wasn't the Freebird guy. Because if it was him, we'd still be outside. All right, Dom, look, he's yelling at me. Kid's been yelling. We had to wait all afternoon for Dom, and then he gets done, and he's like, let's go. Come on, let's go. All right. What do you say we play some Kiss? You ready to rock and roll?